It's really easy to make cottage cheese. You only need 2 ingredients. Start with the milk. You can make cottage cheese with whole, skim, 1% or 2% milk. Pour into a medium-sized pot on medium heat. Stir constantly so the milk doesn't burn. The goal is to heat the milk to 50 degrees Celsius or higher. Any temperature higher than 50 and lower than boiling is okay. If you don't have a thermometer, aim for very hot, but not boiling. Ours took about 4 minutes to reach 50 degrees. After it's hot enough, turn off the heat. Measure out 1/3 cup of white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or lemon juice. Add to the hot milk and stir. After a minute or 2, the mixture will start to curdle. Once cheese curds start forming, cover the pot and let rest for half an hour. You can clearly see the curds and the whey. Now strain out the liquid with a clean tea towel or cheesecloth. We're using a strainer to make it easier. Pour in the mixture, cover, gather the towel together and squeeze. Squeeze by twisting the towel and pushing downwards. Get out as much liquid as you can. The cheese will last longer if you remove most of the liquid. Save the whey for baking. Unwrap the towel and use a spatula to get all that precious cottage cheese. Look at this lovely texture. Cottage cheese is such a great source of protein. If you like, you can add a pinch of salt and mix in. If you want your cottage cheese creamy, add some heavy cream and mix. This way it's more like the texture you find in stores. Enjoy your delicious homemade cottage cheese. If you liked this video, we think you'll love this one too.